For beginners, the best bingo app is usually the one with simple navigation, clear game rules, and free play options, not the one advertising the biggest prize. This ranking focuses on 5 things that matter when you're opening a bingo app for the first time: ease of use, free play access, game selection, reward structure, and how clearly the app explains its rules. Number 5 is Bingo Blitz. It combines traditional bingo with additional mini-games and collectible features. So it works well if you want more than a basic bingo board. Start with its free play features before spending anything. Number 4 is A Bingo Papitayo. The interface is designed around quick bingo rounds and social features, which makes it relatively easy to understand. Use the free gameplay first so you can learn the controls without committing money. Number 3 is a Bingo Bashi. It offers multiple bingo rooms and themed gameplay, giving beginners different ways to learn the basic mechanics. Start with the free chips and introductory gameplay before considering any optional purchases. Number 2 is in Bingo Country. Its focus is straightforward bingo gameplay combined with progression and rewards. If you're new to mobile bingo, begin with the free content and check how the reward system works before spending anything. Number 1 is eBingo Cash, but only if you're specifically looking for an app that combines bingo with cash tournament features, and you are legally eligible to use those features in your location. Its free play and reward systems can be explored before entering paid tournaments. There is one major difference between these apps that beginners need to understand. Free-to-play bingo uses virtual currencies such as chips, coins, or tickets, while real money bingo can involve deposits, paid entries, withdrawals, and additional eligibility requirements. If you are completely new, start with free gameplay. Learn how cards are marked, how rounds work, and how the app's currency system operates before considering any paid feature. Also check the current rules for your country or region. Real money gaming availability can vary by location, and an app's features can change between versions. So the beginner ranking is Bingo Blitz, Bingo Pop, Bingo Bash, Bingo Country, and Bingo Cash for eligible users interested in cash tournament features. Your practical next step is simple. Download only from the official App Store, play the free mode first, and read the current rules before making any purchase. If this ranking helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app guides.